Happy New Year 2025. As the curtain slowly falls on the year 2024, the world turns the page to 2025. It's a moment of celebration, reflection, and hope. But before we leap into the possibilities of the new year, let's take a look back at the roller coaster that was 2024. 2024 wasn't without its struggles. Across the globe, conflicts persisted, with tensions rising in key regions. Wars and disputes reminded us of the fragility of peace, leaving countless lives disrupted. We have witnessed in real time the death and destruction brought to our television screens in Ukraine, Palestine, and Sudan, to mention just a few. Refugees sought safety, families were torn apart, and the echoes of violence reminded us of the urgent need for dialogue and compassion. Nature also made her voice heard. Hurricanes, wildfires, and floods caused devastation in many parts of the world, forcing millions to rebuild their homes and their lives. The climate crisis didn't take a backseat, showing us yet again the critical importance of sustainability and global cooperation. Economically, many nations grappled with inflation, rising costs of living, and unemployment. Families struggled to make ends meet, and businesses faced turbulent waters. Yet amid these trials, resilience shone through. But let's not forget the triumphs. Science and technology continued to push boundaries. Medical breakthroughs brought hope to those battling chronic illnesses. Advances in renewable energy gave us a glimpse of a more sustainable future. Space exploration soared, reminding us that humanity's curiosity and innovation know no bounds. Globally, communities united in solidarity. Relief efforts poured into disaster-stricken areas. Activists and leaders championed causes close to their hearts, fighting for equality, justice, and the environment. In sports, we cheered for athletes who broke records and inspired millions. In arts and culture, creativity flourished, giving us stories, music, and moments that brought us closer together. Now here we are, standing at the dawn of 2025, a fresh year, a blank slate. What do we hope it will bring? First and foremost, peace. Let 2025 be a year where diplomacy triumphs over division. Let leaders come together to resolve conflicts, prioritize human dignity, and pave the way for a future where no one has to live in fear. For the planet, may 2025 be a turning point. Let this be the year when actions speak louder than words. We need bold steps to combat climate change, protect biodiversity, and ensure a sustainable world for generations to come. Economically, let prosperity and stability reach those who need it most. May we see innovations that create jobs, policies that reduce inequality, and solutions that lift families out of poverty. In 2025, let's dream big for humanity. Imagine a world where everyone has access to quality education, where every child has the chance to learn, grow, and achieve their potential. Let this be the year where healthcare becomes a right, not a privilege, where we prioritize mental well-being alongside physical health, where innovations continue to heal and save lives. And for society as a whole, let's champion kindness, understanding, and inclusion. In 2025, may we build bridges instead of walls, lifting each other up and celebrating what makes us unique. On a personal level, 2025 is an opportunity to grow. Let's set goals that push us to be better. Better friends, better family members, better stewards of our planet. Let's take time to appreciate the little things. A smile, a sunrise, a shared laugh. Resolutions don't have to be grand. They can be as simple as being kinder to ourselves, spending more time with loved ones, or lending a helping hand to someone in need. As we step into this new year, let's hold on to hope. Hope is powerful. It's what keeps us moving forward even when the road is tough. It reminds us that brighter days are always ahead. 2024 was a year of ups and downs, challenges and victories, heartaches and joys. And while we can't predict what 2025 will bring, we can shape it with our actions, intentions, and dreams. So may 2025 be a year of peace, progress, and possibility. A year where humanity comes together, overcomes, and thrives. Happy New Year!